Hello everyone, today we are going to see about the Scotch yoke mechanism. For that I am using a window wiper motor. This is a geared motor. I have connected one additional gear for this with the help of two screws. I have connected one more bolt so I can fix this wheel here. When we connect this extra wheel, this will reduce the load, so there is no direct load to the motor. The load comes to this wheel. I am using one additional bearing here to connect this. When the wheel rotates, there is a up and down movement in this. This movement will create additional movement to move this forward and backward. I am using 10 mm aluminum screws here to connect this pipe. The length of this pipe is 15 inches and the thickness is 10 mm. This bearing holds this sleeve. This will be connected here. So I'll assemble this so we can take a trial of this. I have assembled it now. I am using extra bushes here to maintain the height of this aluminum sleeve, and it acts as a holder also. I have used two bushes here to hold the sleeve. It is assembled, so we can check this now. I am using a power bank to run this motor. So it is turned on. You can see the movement. I'll be using a DC adapter with a motor speed controller. I'll connect to the DC adapter now. We'll try to increase and decrease the speed. This power bank I have made only for demo purpose, but if this is used in any applications, then it is better to use a DC adapter. Now I am connecting it to an adapter. The output voltage of this adapter is 16 volt 4.5 amperes. Again it comes to a motor controller. This controller can be used in various voltages. This will just reduce the current. This will not regulate the voltage. This I have connected to the motor adapter. Now let me turn on this. Adjust the speed. So it has started rotating. We will increase the speed now. I have used a 6 inches wheel. This circle here is 6 inches and the groove here is 7 inches. So with this wheel and groove I am getting around the stroke of 5 inches. Near to 6 inches. Five and a half inches, around 140 mm. Thank you friends, subscribe for more videos.